Okay, we have a lot of interior LEDs for this Mercedes. That's quite a lot actually. And we're supposed to switch all the interior LEDs with these tiny little things. So do they work? Zero ideas. I have no idea. I never tried them, but they look like this. And well, when I install them, I'll show you if they make any sense. You know, the lights right now. Okay, this is going to blow your mind, because I didn't put the LED in yet. This is the LED here in my hand, but this is the original that comes with the car. And no, and the car literally has been, or this light has only been on for, I would say, a minute or less. Literally a minute or less. Let me get this. 32 or 33, the ambient temperature. Look, around the 30s. Now let me put this here. What does that say? 157, 170, 186, 161. Let me do direct. Wow, 192. So between 160 to 190. So let's put it 190. No, you cannot touch it. Literally, it's untouchable. So you're talking about 200 degrees in just one single light within 1 minute. Literally just a minute. Now, let me take it out. Yes, I have to use actually something because I cannot grab it with bare hand. It's way too hot. So let me plug in the LED. Okay, this is the LED now. And we'll give it a fair time of around 2-3 minutes actually. More than the original one, and see if it heats up as much as that. And just to show it, right, let me see the ambient temperatures. 36, 37, 35, 30 to 30 something. And we'll see. It's been a few seconds, well, 30-40 seconds till now. Nope, not even warm up yet. So let's wait, I don't know, another minute, I guess. And we'll be back to measure the temperature directly on it. I'm telling you, these old lights, I swear it's still hot. Still really hot. The old ones that come with the car are really something else. Look at that. This thing heats up fast. And especially in summertime, for example, you're wondering why the car gets hot. Well, you have a lot of hot spots throughout the car, because this car, for example, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2, 12, 14, 16 lights inside. Literally 16 lights that heat one by one. 16 lights like this inside this car. Now imagine the heat they can generate. I know you might say, oh, but that tiny thing, it's not gonna generate too much heat. Dude, it will generate a lot of heat. Trust me on that one. It will generate a lot of heat, and summer will come by and you'll regret it. I'm telling you. Look at this. It's been now probably more than 5 minutes. Easy more than 5 minutes. Okay, let's start with ambient. 34, 34, 33. So around 34, 33, whatever. We measure in it like we did with the other one. 68, put it completely on it. 70, it hit 1 point. 73, 80, 79, 73, 57, 62. So I would say let's take the maximum, 80. It hit 80 once. Yeah, 80 is the maximum. Now compare 80 with 200. Yeah, tell me, and we're talking in Fahrenheit. What is that on Celsius? Celsius, that is 26. Yeah, so it's a huge deal. So just telling you, this stuff matters. We just put the cap back on because we're done here. And it looks better, in my opinion. I don't know about you, but I just like it. And it's easier on your battery too, because it's just an LED. And literally the whole bag was like, what, $7-8. And it came with all those things you just saw. So you saw the temperatures yourself. I don't know what else to tell you. It is what it is. Does it heat over the cover? Let me turn this thing on. Nope. 36. Wow. So the heat it emits is that small that it cannot make it outside this cover here. Nope. There's literally cold. It's not even warm. It's actually cold. So yeah, I'm not BSing you. This stuff actually matters. And yes, if you're wondering, they've been changed throughout the car. I only have on the front one right now, but they've actually been changed to LEDs all my car. on this car are just, you know, these regular ones, and we'll see if it changes when I put LEDs instead. So this is one of them, for example, on the tail or the hatch, where you just remove this housing. This is the original, but it's literally untouchable. It's probably 200-300 degrees. And I'm gonna replace it real quick. And here is the LED. I can actually touch this one. Wow, the other ones were getting hot, like crazy hot. So, well, let me put the housing back on and see how it looks. And that's it. You know, it has the red one and white, just the paints or the glass, whatever this is. Actually looks pretty good. So let's do this one here too. That's how it looks with a stock. Wow, this is actually hot. So the old ones are really creating some heat here. Well, let me take it out and replace it. Oh yeah, this thing is literally, oh wow. I swear I cannot touch it. I'm not joking with you. I'm not making this up. Wow. Okay, let me take it out. So they just simply pull out. That's all. That's it. Like, and yeah, I'm using this to grab them. So I'm gonna pop the new one in the socket and that's it. It actually looks nicer. I like that. Just pop it back in. Oh yeah, looks like a modern car now. And it's zero heat. And the other one that I showed you literally was on within maybe less than a minute, huh? That got that hot. Okay, so I have a lot of work to change everything in this car, so I'm gonna do that and see how it goes. And the beauty of it is that you don't need any tools, just one of these thingies here, plastic, and that's it, because all these things actually just pop out and you just spin it around here, twist just a little bit, and it comes out like this, and it's literally untouchable too. So let me do that too, and boom, now it's a nice looking light. I have a million more, but that's basically the point. Just make them all LED, and wow, zero heat now. And this one's been maybe 3 minutes running now. Literally zero heat at all. Absolutely love this. Okay, here we're in the car. I'm gonna take a quick night shot and see how that feels. Right here. Whoa. Okay. Whew. These are very bright, way brighter than the originals. I mean, not in a blinding bright, but they're bright. Wow. And on the back of the car, we have more light like this. Look at that. Wow. That's actually a lot of light. Okay, well, I think this is good. Look at that. Wow. This is some white light now. It's like almost like daytime light. This is cool. Gotta say, this is actually really cool, because there's a lot of light right now inside this car. Okay, well, besides that, what else can I tell you? Look how daytime it makes it. Wow. Okay, well, see you next time. Look, I can see the whole object here. Like it's daytime. Literally. This is actually really nice. Okay. Yes, it's a Sony with a Canon lens, but through Metabone. These, I think, are a win so far. I really like them.